Hey YouTube, Southwest252 here with another video. This time it is of the Panda models, Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-300 in the Silver 1 livery and 1/400 scale. But before I get into the review, I would just like to say I would really appreciate it if you could check out my Instagram. The link for that is in the description below. As always, I'll start off the review with the box. Same standard Panda models box, Boeing logo on the front, 1/400 scale. On the bottom, there's a sticker, Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-300, 1/400 scale. The registration of this model is November 629 Sierra Whiskey. On the left side, just a Boeing logo. The top is the same as the bottom, and then the right side is the same as the left side. Back of the box, it's your standard 737 picture. It does say warning, not suitable for children under 14 years old due to small parts choking hazard. That is all for the box, very simple. And now for the model. I do have to say I quite like this livery. However, this livery was retired in 2009 when this aircraft was painted into the standard canyon blue livery. However, the little decal on the front still lives on to this day. It's on a 737-700 in the heart livery, but it is no longer painted silver. But at the front, you'll notice a different gray color. That is because of the material for the real aircraft. It's more aluminum for the fuselage, composite material for the nose, so they had to paint it instead of just polish it. So that explains the difference of the nose coloring, and that is accurate to how it was. And then you do, of course, have the black painted top part of the nose. You've got the Silver 1 insignia underneath the cockpit windows. Then you've, of course, got the cockpit windows above. You do have the L1 door. You have your gear doors below the nose gear. The gears are rubber, however, they do not roll. You've got an antenna underneath there, antenna on top of the fuselage as well. You've got your emergency escape routes over the wings and painted onto the wings. No winglets on this model. You do have your engines, just kind of silver there. And then, of course, your inside view of the engines. You move towards the back, and by the way, it does have the white lines on the bottom. That is still supposed to be the outline of the original Southwest livery. However, it is not painted on the aircraft. But what you do have painted on is the registration in red, which is November 629 Sierra Whiskey. And then it goes up to the tail, where the tail is in the normal mustard livery tail design. The right side of the aircraft is the same as the left, just with the cargo luggage doors. They're painted on above the antenna. And then one to the bottom right of the registration, right beneath that white line. And here is the front view of this aircraft. Here is the right side. There's the back view. There's the left side. Here's the top view. And here is the bottom. So again, you can very easily tell where the nose cone is here. You've got your nose gear. Again, all the gears are rubber, however, they do not roll. Got another antenna underneath there. You can tell, once again, where the real aircraft had a material change with the different coloring. You've got the stand hole in the middle. Not sure if the Gemini Jets one will fit there. I haven't tried it. You've got your main gear underneath the wings and the engines as well. Move towards the back. You've got the doors for the APU, and then the APU itself all the way in the back. And that is all for the model. Overall, it's a nice model. It's missing a few small details. That's common with the Panda models. But overall, it's a nice model. I'll be giving it a score of 29.5 out of 30, just for those missing details. But that's going to be it for this review. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to my channel if you're new. And once again, I would really appreciate it if you could check out my Instagram. The link for that is in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Bye.
We would like to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-700 series aircraft. You're looking at the Southwest Airlines bestseller. It's a safety information card. It's in the seat pocket in front of you. It works as a fan for no extra charge. You're welcome. And it reads as a comic book. It has a lot of short stories. None of them ends well. Absolutely.